Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Al-Ankabut chapter number 29 verse number 45, "Utlu ma uhiya ilayka min al-kitab wa aqim as-salah inna salata tanha 'anil fahsha'i wal munkar." Recite from the book what is revealed to thee and establish regular prayer, for prayer restrains from shameful and immoral deeds. Salah, it prevents us from shameful and immoral deeds. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Surah Al-Mu'minun chapter number 23 verse number 1 and 2. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ, the believers, they are successful. الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ, those who are in their prayer humbly submissive. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, the first few verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about the qualities of the believers. And one of these qualities is that they have khushu in their salah. When they offer salah, they offer it with concentration. They are humbly submissive when they offer their salah. When we offer our salah, we should concentrate in our salah. And why do we tend to commit sins even though we are offering salah? The reason is because we are offering salah merely mechanically. Our salah, it is mechanical. And we are offering salah physically without reaping the spiritual benefits of salah.